Welcome back to Breaking the Stigma. I'm Rob, and I'm a retired police officer from the state of New Hampshire with over 20 years of experience. In the next several videos, we're going to be talking about the effects of trauma. Today's topic is going to be the topic of hypervigilance. The Webster Dictionary defines hypervigilance as the process a first responder undergoes while on duty, heightening their awareness, thinking abilities, and entering a higher state of anxiety. While in hypervigilance, your body starts releasing above normal levels of adrenaline, and an officer will spend their entire shift under these physical conditions. This biological process does not stop at the end of your shift. Over several hours, your body will return to normal. Then you become tired, detached, secluded, and aloof. Hypervigilance begins hours before your shift begins and increases till its full effect as your tour heightens. While experiencing hypervigilance, you feel alert, energetic, and alive. However, hypervigilance is accompanied by a state of higher anxiety. At the end of your shift, you cannot just turn the hypervigilance switch off. Instead of returning to normal, your body goes into an extreme rest mode, leaving you feeling tired, detached, emotionless, and angry. This can lead to the hypervigilance cycle, and keeping a healthy balance between shifts becomes extremely difficult. Hypervigilance can cause our brain to become overactive, releasing excessive amounts of adrenaline, which can become addictive. Because this adrenaline rush is so addictive, and us not wanting to feel the crash and burn of off-duty, many officers may turn to questionable activities to maintain the rush. This may include alcohol abuse, high-risk physical activities, extramarital affairs, and suicidal ideations. This two-phased effect of hypervigilance, or the hypervigilance cycle, repeats itself daily and over time, left unchecked, can cause physical and emotional issues. Long-term hypervigilance can lead us to ignoring traditional support systems and us encircling ourselves with our closest peers to remain in our comfort zone. Although hypervigilance will not affect every officer, it's important for all of us to recognize those that are suffering with the effects. Some of the effects of hypervigilance are overreacting, overestimating the possibility of bad things happening to you, overanalyzing situations, believing that they are worse than they really are, alcohol abuse, and having trouble sleeping or staying asleep. You should be aware that hypervigilance is one of the main symptoms of PTSD. Hypervigilance is more than being extra alert. It's being in a chronic state of stress that heightens your senses. If you are experiencing a lower than usual sense of self-worth, depression, misplaced guilt, the inability to specifically remember about trauma, feeling numb emotionally, feeling hyper-aroused, vigilant for danger all the time, unexplained anger, and anxiety disorders such as panic or intense distress, talk to somebody and get help. And remember, it's okay not to be okay.